everyone, my name is Vian Kohli. I am in class 6th of Birla Vidya Niketan.
My name is Arav Vashisht. I am in class 6 of Birla Vidya Niketan.
Today we are going to present Dream Cycle. The problem that we are going to solve are, as you know, many accidents take place because there are no indicators in the cycle. So we have attached indicators for left and right sides. If the person is unable to reach to the cyclist can connect this cable to the phone, and the person who is calling can press 1 and 4 to switch on and off the buzzer to indicate the person. This can also be done by Bluetooth in the range of 10 meters. As you know, energy in all forms should be conserved. So I have attached a dynamo motor here so that the energy that is generated by pedaling can be conserved and used to glow the backlights and front lights. So it can also be done from the solar panel. The solar energy gets converted into the electrical energy, and this helps to charge the rechargeable battery and to power the whole system. Let's see the functions of the Dream Cycle. So when I take my hand I will wear this glove first. Now when I want to move to the right side, I will take my hand to the right. It's showing the right indicator. When I want to move to the left, I will take my hand to the left. I will take my hand to the left. It's showing left indicator. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So the second, I have also attached a DTMF decoder in it. I will plug in this cable into my phone, and the person who is calling can press 1 and 4 to switch on and off the buzzer and indicate the person. This can also be done from app made by MIT in Bluetooth. I will go to devices and connect to my Bluetooth module. It is connected. See, when I press buzzer on, the buzzer is on. When I press buzzer on, buzzer off. Buzzer on, buzzer off. This can be done in the range of 40 to 50 meters. So the next feature is that energy in all forms should be conserved. So when I will pedal, this dynamo motor will generate electricity to power the front and back lights. I will show you. I will pedal and see the back lights are on. And the front lights are also on. This is being done from pedaling, the energy being generated by the dynamo motor. We have also attached a keypad and Bluetooth to switch on and off the cycle. I will go to phone and connect to my Bluetooth module, current Bluetooth module. When I press cycle off, the cycle is off and nothing is working. The indicator is not working. When I press cycle on, the indicator is working. I have also attached a bypass switch here. When I switch it on from here, bypass. So see, the indicators are on. When I press it off, then it's off. It can also be done from keypad. The password is 1347 for on. 1347. 1347. Pause, sir.
Solar panel at the back generates energy which is used to power the battery. Power the push button which is used to power the Arduino if there is sufficient light. We hope this Dream Cycle help people to maintain their health. Thank you.